I'm here in Shropshire on behalf of Connected Kerb, one of the UK's leading providers of electric vehicle charging solutions, to launch the Agile Streets project, which is the first trial of public EV smart charging in the UK. Here is one of 4 locations across the country where the trial is taking place, with 100 charging points installed on streets and car parks. I'm here with Councillor Nellins, Shropshire Council's Cabinet Member for Climate Change, Natural Assets and Green Economy, to talk a bit more about the project. So Councillor, could you tell me a bit more about the Agile Streets project?
Well, first of all, it's a real game changer for anybody, but for us in particular here in Shropshire, this is a game changer. We're very fortunate to be one of only 4 local authorities in the United Kingdom to be selected for it. And it gives the option for people who haven't got off-street parking to be able to get good, cheap, reliable, smart charging in their local car park. We've got one here in Whitchurch, we've one in Shrewsbury, one in Offiah Street, and also one in Bridgenorth. And early next year we will have more coming in, which will be in Market Drayton, Ludlow, Bishop's Castle, Ellesmere, and also additional ones in Shrewsbury and in Bridgenorth. Charging bays operate on a first come, first served basis, but by using the app you can look at for the times which way it's going to be most efficient and cheapest for you to charge your car.
So why is the switch to EV so important in the transition to net zero?
Well, EV is very important because it's one of the options outside of what the council's control is. The council only accounts for 1% of the carbon usage in throughout Shropshire. So we've got to encourage all the residents, as well as many residents as possible. So this is a form of leadership to show them what is available. So encourage electric car usage and reduce our carbon footprint throughout the county.
I'm here with Jason Hughes, Street Lighting and Traffic Signals Manager for Shropshire Council. Jason, what do you think the benefits are from this Agile Streets programme?
The biggest benefits is allowing people to charge their vehicles who don't have access to charge at home. So it makes a more competitive rate for electricity, and that should hopefully encourage more people to purchase electric vehicles.
Is there any way of local residents getting involved and finding out more about these projects?
There is. If they look on Shropshire Council's website, there's information there. And I know there's also information on the Connected Kerb website.
We're looking for electric vehicle drivers in East Lothian, Hackney, Glasgow and Shropshire to try out a new way of charging on street and in car parks. Find out more at agilestreets.com.